Now let's work on links. We have 3 items here: links, bookmark, and cross-reference. I select part of my text and click on the link, or you could simply right-click and choose link, also known as hyperlink. I mentioned briefly on beginner course, but now we're going a bit deeper. As I mentioned before, we have several types of links. You could link to the email address, subject, and I recently used email address if you already used. Create a new document by clicking on the hyperlink. You could make a new document with a specific path, or even when editing, edit a new document later on. Usually they are not so useful, but just I'm mentioning quickly. Place this document to somewhere and existing file on web page. For web page, of course, you could type your address or reference from your local computer, current folder, browse pages, and recent files. But now I want to give to these document places. We have several types to link here based on your headings and subheadings. We have top of your document and bookmarks. Currently, I didn't define any bookmarks, so I have top of the document and headings. Let's say title 6 and OK. My title 6 is very bottom here. And let's make one here. Click to navigate top page. I select the text, click on link, place this document, top of the document, and OK. To open the links, you have to hold on the Control or Command key and then click. It's going very top of your document. And if you remember, I'll link this one to the title 6. Control or Command click and jumping there. OK. You could also edit or remove your hyperlinks. Simply right-click on that. We have Open Hyperlink, which we already done with Control or Command click. You could copy hyperlink, you could remove the hyperlink or edit that. I click on Edit Hyperlink and I could modify it. And note that we have 2 buttons here beside of removing the link. The screen tip, which it is the description similar to tooltips. I could click on that. For instance, click to navigate chapter 6. Just example text. OK. And target frame, it is totally depends on your document format and where you're gonna open. For instance, if you're making a HTML web browser document, it is very important to open a new window, parent frame, same frame, or if you're already familiar with some basic HTML and CSS, we have target links, blank, self, parent, and top. Just as an example, I'm telling you if you set on blank and open with browser, it will open a new tab or window. It doesn't matter here, so I close that. OK. Now if I hover my mouse on this link, you see we have a tooltip. Click to navigate chapter 6. Control click. And here we jump to this link.